Hey guys, Hiking State here, and today I'm going to get a little coffee table thing in IKEA, and I also might get some other stuff. So yeah, this is just an easy vlog. Also, one of my friends has been using fake nails in her thing, although I don't know where to get fake nails, so if I ever do see fake nails, or if I currently have any fake nails, or if any of my friends have fake nails that they're willing to give me, by friends I mean cousins, yeah, I'll use those and stuff. But yeah, let's get my car. Wait, I'm not signing off yet. Alright, let's get to the car. I really do love driving about the town, you know. It's really nice.
We came, first of all, we used to always, every Sunday we used to come this way. We used to come to Campbell College to go to swimming classes.
Oh yeah, I remember that, Johnny's
Swimming classes on Sunday afternoon.
You know the little certificate you were asking me if I was ready to try? That was from Johnny's. It was just 3 there, right? Yeah, I remember in the autumn we used to go and pick acorns.
Not acorns, chestnuts.
Chestnuts, acorns. There's a big difference. Aren't they called conkers? Conkers. I am smart. IKEA is further down this road. Was it yesterday that we were here? Or?
Friday, yeah.
Friday. I feel bad for those people who were walking.
Will it be those people that take small seconds?
Yes, we are. Oh, Ed Sheeran, I love him. Not like that. Oh, look at the little dog. He just doesn't want to move. He's just like, no, I'm sitting. How come IKEA is so big? Like, it is unbelievably big. It's also right beside the airport landing thingies. You can see it in some of the higher levels or by the cafeteria. They have so many self-promotions here. Welcome to IKEA. I mean, at least there are spaces. You'd be smarter to try and park in the little bits with a roof over your head. I really think so. No. There are so many cars here, but the thing is, when we go into the place, we're gonna practically be alone for most of the time because it's unbelievably big. There are 3 colors of tables, and the tables differ in price. So we're at IKEA, and this one, which is just plain wood, is £6. This red one, which is nice and polished, is £8. You've got margin going on there. Then this is the one that we're gonna get, and it is selling for £8. So yeah, IKEA. Yeah, this is the life. Relaxation. That would be unbelievably cute if the computer was new. What's that?
It's cupboards, but they've got a wee safety lock on them. Oh.
Your dream kitchen starts here. Buy at IKEA, then go somewhere else. That is a nice kitchen though. Wait, you can't lie. This would be a great kitchen, hands down. Really good buy. Hey guys, so we have just returned from IKEA and we came here around 2 and now it's 5:30, so we spent 3.5 hours here. A long time to spend at IKEA. So I'm going to show you what we got once I get home. So I got a table which I have yet to assemble. A mat for the floor which I can sit on when I'm filming. A white flower pot to match the ground, the table, and generally the entire ambience that I'm trying to make with the room. I'm going to plant some of these, which are able to be planted now, so yeah, I'm just going to plant 1 or 2 in a little plastic pot and put the pot in here, and yeah. The only other thing I got was batteries. I didn't actually buy this here, but my friend got me this LED light a few years back and I never used it. It was sort of one of those things that you get and you never use. And earlier today we got batteries and we used it, and there's actually a nail in the door right up there, and what I am going to do is simply get my thing and put it on there, and then when I'm filming I can just turn it on and leave it on, and I can close the door and it doesn't hit the roof. It's really cool. So that is all I bought today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.